could sing, I would sing this introduction, but then I think I would scare you away. So I have Juno Award winner Suzie McNeil in my kitchen. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
So I met you about a month ago, maybe? Yeah, for Valentine's Day at the Westdale.
Yes.
And your personality, your energy on stage just drew me right in. And I told my husband, I gotta go meet her. I gotta go meet her. And now to have you here cooking with me, like I'm telling you, I'm on cloud nine.
The honor is all mine.
Oh, you're very sweet. Okay, so we gotta get to work or else we don't eat. So that's how it works, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so this dish here is very, very simple. It's pasta con fagiolini. These are green beans. Can you say fagiolini?
Fagiolini.
Oh, bravo, you did a very good job. So we're gonna prep these up and then I'll show you the next steps, okay?
Perfect.
So you can take a few of the green beans. So I remember in the summer, you know, my mom would pick green beans out of the garden, and we would sit on the patio and having to pick off the tops and ends, okay?
Put you to
So
work.
you could do it that way, or you could use a knife. You could even do it a really fast way and line them all up. So if you line them up and you just do them, you know, kind of like multiple all at once.
Assembly line.
Yeah, you decide what you want to do. I'm going to give you a knife, okay?
Yep.
But in the meantime, I want to hear about your start into the music business.
Okay, well, I've always wanted to be a singer. So
From when you were little?
yes, so my mom, who we were talking about earlier, she is a singer, but she was never a famous or didn't do it for a living or anything, but she loved it so much. So my sister and I, when we were kids, she would just make us sing with her. Like, and I mean make us. Like,
Oh, that's so
tell us what
cute.
to sing. And eventually we just learned through doing it with her, 3-part harmony. We would do Andrew Sister songs and like Dolly Parton songs.
So would relatives come over, or friends, and you'd have to put on a little concert? Yes.
It was that.
Did you enjoy that, or did you think that, oh, you know, you didn't want to do that?
Looking back, I kind of felt like it was just my duty, like I had to, but also I would have to say that is definitely what put the bug of performing into me. So she didn't know she was doing any of that. She didn't even want us to necessarily go into music. She just loved singing. So my sister's a high school music teacher as well.
Oh, nice.
And so we both got the bug there.
Well, it sounds like there was always a lot of music in your home.
Yeah.
And that tells me it was a very happy home.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
So nice. Now, did you cook with your mom?
No.
Okay, that was a really fast answer.
I just sang with her. No, we did other things. And my mom does cook, but I mean, even still now, I would consider myself like, I guess, a career woman, right? I'm self-employed. I kind of do, these days, you have to be the jack of all trades. You have to know how to do all of it. Publicity, promotion, booking the shows, contract, like it, you know, it seems so fabulous and sexy, but there's a lot of hard work that goes into it behind
So
the
what you're
scenes.
saying is you really don't have a lot of time in the kitchen.
I do not.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to show you this recipe, and who knows, maybe, you know, in a month from now, you're going to, you know, send me a text saying, I made it. I actually made this recipe at home.
Already, I love it. So I have a 7-year-old, and you know, it's challenging getting them to eat veggies, but he will eat green beans.
Oh, and I didn't know that.
Yeah, so
Well,
this is good.
Okay, you must have sent that energy, you know, somehow to me.
Yes.
Okay, so if you could have any other talent, some skill, talent that you don't have, that you wish you could have. Like for me, Suzie, you know what it would be? Singing. Oh my gosh. I shouldn't say that. I'm a fabulous singer.
I believe you.
Yeah, in my head, I am like award-winning top quality in my head.
Well, I'm one of those people who believe that everyone can sing.
Oh, and I believe that everyone can cook.
There you go.
So there you go. Maybe
Maybe we all can.
maybe this will turn into a cooking singing show. Okay, so tell me.
Beans are beautifully cut. No.
Do wop wop wop. Can I do that part? See, like even that was bad. It was so bad. Anyway, so tell me, what's that one skill or?
Oh,
yeah.
You know what I love is dancing. I'm terrible at dancing, so I love watching it. I love everything that resembles it. I love watching figure skating.
Oh,
I think
nice.
that'd be really cool.
Oh, my
I just
gosh.
never did dancing as a kid, and then it's like, then it's too late.
Well, you know, there is that mindset that says we should never say, I can't do something, right?
Yes.
And maybe if we look at whatever in the mindset that we don't know how to do it yet.
Yes.
Right.
Oh, yeah. I'm a
Right.
big believer in, you know, whatever we put our mind to. But I don't think I'll ever get into dancing.
Well, okay, maybe not professionally,
professionally.
and maybe my singing will have to just stay in the shower,
Well, I
right?
mean, you could take lessons during COVID.
But
I
that's
gave
true.
Singing lessons.
Oh my gosh.
'cause
Okay, so
performances were gone.
so you do so much. You listed a few things, and I know you have a concert coming up in May at the Westdale Theater.
Yes, yep. I put together a show last year that I love so much, and it's like it's a spiritual experience. Every time I've put this show on, people have left, like we've all left, even the band. Like I play with the same people, or I try to unless they're booked, and never have we had a show where the band even came up to me after and went like, what was that? That was amazing. Thank you
Wow.
for having me a part of all that. So it's called Songs of Soul, and we pick 3 artists, and we, you know, perform the songs by these artists. And
Women?
Then, well, this one is women.
Yes.
So this one is Women of Soul, and it's on Mother's Day weekend, May 9th at the West Hill. And we also, so we perform the songs. It's with a woman, an amazing singer named Cleopatra Williams, and then also Isla Rodney. They are powerhouses. And then myself. And
Another powerhouse.
The 3 artists are Shaka Khan, Tina Turner, and Aretha Franklin. So it's going to be some heavy stuff. Then in between songs, we chit chat. It's kind of like, you know, this a little bit, where we talk about the stories behind the artists. We drink wine together. We ask trivia questions to the audience, see how well you know your stuff.
Oh, so it's going to be
It's
an
very
immersive,
interactive.
immersive experience.
Yeah.
Well, I think that's what I really loved at the last show that I came to see you. I felt like you were in my family room, and we were just, you know, all together.
That's what I love.
Yeah,
I
it
love
was-
that sort of relaxed, intimate vibe, especially in a theater.
Okay, was it like that all the time when you sang with Aerosmith?
No,
No, you didn't get that.
it wasn't relaxed.
family room concert. Okay, tell me.
Very fun.
Okay, tell me, what was that like?
Well, I've been performing with Steven, I think, like for over 10 years now. So I've known him for a long time. I would consider him more of my friend, to be honest.
Oh
now.
my gosh.
And it was amazing, like all of it. So he did a solo record, and I had a band in Nashville, and we toured with him on his solo album, his country album. He did one solo album, and we toured it with him. And then he went to Vegas to do a residency with Aerosmith, and because we had been singing together for so long, he asked me to come with him. And so it was years of that. Then COVID happened, and it all kind of stopped. And then a couple of tours. I head back down there in a couple of weeks. We're doing like private shows now.
Oh my
So
gosh.
it's amazing.
That's so exciting. So
Yeah.
exciting. We're almost ready to go to the stove, but
Okay.
I'm going to ask you to slice. Are you okay to slice up garlic?
I am.
Okay, and then I'll show you a trick on how to get rid of that garlic smell on your hands. Because you don't want to be singing on that mic and smelling
It'll make
garlic,
me
right?
hungry.
Yeah, maybe. Okay, so we talked about this show coming up.
Yes.
So you were on that Rock Star in Excess.
Yes,
You
yes.
got a lot of attention from your
Yes.
amazing talent.
Yeah, that show changed my life. It was a while ago, but it really did. It sort of gave me the opportunity to follow my dreams, for
That's
sure.
exciting. And do you have something coming up with them?
I do. So I guess this fall, this year, it's going to be 20 years since that
No
show.
way.
I was 12.
I
when it
know, I
aired.
was going to say 8. Yeah.
And so I'm putting on a show. I'm putting it together and producing some of the dates where I'm going to be bringing some of the contestants up, and we're going to do
Oh
a
my
20th
gosh.
anniversary Rockstar in Excess show. There'll be a bunch in Ontario, so stay tuned.
Oh, exciting.
Yeah, one of them's at the Richmond Hill Theatre. We'll be in Hamilton, but I can't announce it yet.
Okay.
And it's going to be kind of the same because of how much I love that. You know, it'll be us sitting around talking about our experiences on the reality show, performing songs from the show, and then also performing in excess songs too.
Can I be in the background cooking?
Yes.
I think that could work well.
I think you would be great
because
in that show.
you'll work up an appetite, and so I can feed you as you're
Absolutely.
singing.
I'm in.
Okay, sounds good. All right, I think we're ready to go to the stove. Wait
Go.
to see how this comes together, Suzie. It's going to be amazing. That's okay. That's okay. See, you've chopped and I've sliced. It's all good. This sauce comes together so easily. Start off with a good quality extra virgin olive oil, lots of fresh garlic, and then it becomes simple from there. You add your canned tomatoes, make sure you use a nice San Marzano tomato, oregano, and then the green beans to finish off. Simmer with the lid on for about 15 minutes and your sauce is ready. Okay, it's time to taste. That's for you.
Thank you.
So we're going to do little bites here. This is so piping hot.
Okay.
And it smells so amazing. Okay, I think I'm going to just grab a bean here. It's going to take us half hour just to get one. Okay.
Okay. Wow.
Nice.
Delicious.
Okay, this brings me back to my parents. My mom would make something similar. Her green beans, she did it a little differently. But the freshness of it, how easy it is. We're eating in like 20 minutes from start to finish, right?
I know. And the freshness is what's really getting me
Oh my
today.
gosh, I love it. Okay, time to toast. All the best to you.
Thank you.
With all your upcoming shows. And you didn't even talk about your album, but you have an album coming up.
I'm working on one. Yeah.
Okay,
So
can't
it'll
wait.
take a while.
All right, so get out to the Westdale Theatre in May and make sure you follow Suzie for all her upcoming extravaganzas. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's been so much fun.
Thanks for having
Thank
me.
you. I am back home, and my mother-in-law's home, and my mom's home. When I eat food like this, it just touches my heart, and I hope you will try it too. I've tried the pasta. I'm going to try the artichoke. Can I add just a little bit more salt when they're nice and hot? A little extra sprinkling of salt is just amazing. So let's see. Crispy. That salt, the mint comes through. So good. And let's end off with dessert. So this one I made last night. So it sat in the fridge. Okay, do you see how beautifully it cuts up? Look at that. And if you want to make it extra special, then serve it in a martini glass. Okay. This is going to be so good. Thank you for joining me. Please give these a try. They're so delicious. See you next time on Marisa's Easy Kitchen. Oh my gosh, that was so good.